Hey friends, ever had your wireless charger start blinking like a disco light but your phone just won't charge? Today, we're diving into why your wireless charger is blinking and how to fix it. Why is your wireless charger blinking? When your wireless charger blinks, it's basically crying for help. Different light colors mean different issues. Here are some common causes. Foreign object detection. If there's a metal object like a coin or key between the charger and your phone, the charger blinks to say, "Get this out of here." Alignment issues. Misaligned phone? The charger blinks to say, "Dude, center it." Overheating. Overheating? The charger blinks to say, "I need to cool down." Faulty cable or adapter. If your cable or adapter is faulty, the charger blinks to say, "Time for an upgrade." Software issues. Sometimes software updates can cause blinking. Update and try again. How to fix wireless charger blinking issues. Now that we know the causes, let's fix them. Here are some simple and effective tips. Remove foreign objects. Check for coins, keys, or other objects between the charger and phone. Clean it up and you're good to go. Realign the device. Place your phone in the center of the charger, aligning it with the charging coil. Cool down or reset the charger. If the charger is overheating, unplug it and let it rest. Wait for a few minutes before plugging it back in. You can do this practically on any wireless charge. Update software. Check for updates on your phone and charger. Install them and try again. Replace cable or adapter. Switch to a high-quality cable like Anker's USB-C cable and the issue is solved. How to prevent future issues. For efficient and reliable wireless charging solutions with less maintenance, consider these high-quality products from Anker. Anker Mago 3-in-1 Wireless Charging Station. This handy charging pad lets you power up your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch all at once. It's designed for fast and safe charging and has an adjustable module to fit your devices perfectly, saving you space and keeping your charging area tidy. Anker Mago 2-in-1 Wireless Charger Stand. Charge your iPhone and earbuds simultaneously with this efficient stand. It allows you to adjust the angle for a perfect view and comes with clear LED indicators to show the charging status of your devices, making it a convenient addition to your desk or nightstand. These Anker products provide a seamless wireless charging experience, helping you maintain optimal performance. Perhaps you have other product questions. Of course, welcome to search Anker official website for more product details. Okay, blinking wireless chargers aren't scary. Find the cause, fix it easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you next time.